Ever seen or heard of these 7 chakras in yoga? If you are curious about these, then you are at the right place. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Let's explore the first chakra that roots us, Muladhara. Word by word, Mula Adhara. In Sanskrit, it means root, base. In essence, it is the foundation of stability and grounding, just like the roots of a tree. This chakra is located at the base of the spine, near the perineum. Yes, at your base. It controls survival instincts and physical stability. It's symbolized by a 4-petal lotus with the seed syllable Lam centered in a yellow square. Lam signifies the earth element, symbolizing grounding and strength. Not only the dormant Kundalini, but all sounds and mantras in their dormant form rest here. This is where Ganesha stays. Hence the name Muladhara Sthita, literally the one who stays in Muladhara. This is according to an Upanishadic text popularly known as the Ganesha Atharva Shirsha. He, as Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, ensures the awakening of Shakti, the power of the dormant Kundalini, which in turn activates the entire chakra system. So, not just him, but his mom Shakti, as Shailaputri, also resides here. She is known as Dakini or Khandroma in Buddhism. Think of Muladhara like the foundation. If it's strong, everything about it is secure. Without it, the structure wobbles. This is the first in the Yogic Chakra series. Stay tuned to uncover the next chakra. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.